Okay, so let's look at this little timeline right here. Okay, so looking at dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were once common on Earth. Many dinosaurs became extinct millions of years ago. New evidence is helping scientists to find out how these dinosaurs lived and why they might have disappeared. Take a look at how our ideas about dinosaurs have changed based on new evidence. Okay, so go ahead and read this and then we'll talk about it real quick.
Dinosaurs were once common on Earth. Many dinosaurs became extinct millions of years ago. New evidence is helping scientists to find out these dinosaurs lived and why they might have disappeared. To take a look about our idea and the dinosaur have changed face in the new evidence. It was a big fireball that made them extinct.
Okay, so here it's talking about evidence, right? So evidence is something that shows us that something happened, right? Evidence. So for example, imagine you have a little sister and you had a candy next on the table. It was your candy and somebody ate your candy. So the evidence that your sister ate it was because she had candy all over her mouth. So those little candy things are the evidence, right? It shows that something happened. So here we're going to look at a timeline to see the evidence. Okay, so what do we know that helps us explain what happened to these dinosaurs? Okay, so in 1842, dinosaurs are named. So British scientist Richard Owen names the group of large extinct reptiles Dinosauria, from Greek word meaning fearfully great lizard. Before that, people thought these strange bones came from dragons or giants. Okay, so this is very interesting actually. So dinosaurs are a type of reptile. Okay, so when we read about different kinds of animals, we read about mammals, right? We read about reptiles. So reptiles are all those animals that have scales like lizards, snakes, frogs. All of those are reptiles, right?
Yeah.
So this man created the word Dinosauria. So this was the first name for dinosaurs, right? What does it mean? What does this word mean?
Fearfully great lizard.
Right, so a huge, scary, great lizard. That's what it means. Okay, so go ahead and read that, please.
Dinosaur unnamed. British scientist Richard Owen named a group of large extinct reptiles Dinosauria, from Greek word meaning fearful great lizard. Before that, people thought these strange bones came from dragons or giants. They're definitely not giants.
Right. Okay, so, and then in 1923, dinosaur nests are found. So American scientists Roy Chapman Andrews and Walter Gringer find dinosaur nests in the Gobi Desert in China. The nests prove that dinosaurs lay eggs and do not give birth to live babies. Okay, so these little circles here, those are the dinosaur eggs that have now become fossils. So they're just like stones now.
Maybe if guys go to the park and, well, I find some nests.
Well, it's probably like a museum or something. I'm not sure. You could probably ask your parents about the Gobi Desert. Okay, go ahead and read it, please.
American scientists Roy Chapman Andrews and Walter Gringer find dinosaur nests in the Gobi Desert in China. The nests prove that dinosaurs lay eggs and do not give birth to live babies.